Tray is the consistency of very thick, smooth cottage cheese at this point. Try and get rid of as many lumps as you can. Then I spread it over a plaster bat. I spread it about 2.5 centimeters thick. And then I leave it. Depending on how wet it is, it can take almost a day to dry on the bat. Sometimes it's quicker if the weather's hot. Once it's drier, you can pick it off the bat pretty much in a big piece, because the water is absorbed by the plaster of Paris. And just fold it over itself. Keep doing that until you can lift the whole thing off. Then it's still a bit gooey inside. I leave it again, and then I wedge it down when it's malleable enough to move.